Good morning, everybody. I, Dr. D. Sachindarana, professor in MBA department from BVC ITS. Our today topic is three types of pull system. Pull system is also known as lean manufacturing strategy. A pull system is a lean manufacturing strategy used to reduce waste in the production process. I want to talk about manufacturing. Manufacturing is also known as a planned strategy. Each and every company and organization have their own strategy. In this type of system, components used in the manufacturing process are only replaced once they have been consumed. So companies only make enough product to meet customer demand. Customer demand. I want to talk about company strategy and customer demand. What is the company strategy? Strategy means, a dictionary meaning is Oxford Chambers, a design to plan for achieving certain long-term goal is called strategy. Once again, a design to plan for achieving certain long-term goal is called strategy. Customer demand. Customer, we all are customers or consumers. Demanded number of desires, wants, satisfaction, goods, services, durable, whatever you satisfy our need. There are three basic types of full production system. 1, 2, 3. Supermarket full system, sequential full system, mixed supermarket and sequential full system. Supermarket full system, the most basic and widespread type, also known as to fill up or refreshment, or a type full system. Supermarket full system. Supermarket, we know very well. The full system has three categories. Supermarket, we studied the Victory Bazaar, what is the supermarket, CMR, Mela, all that. The most basic widespread type is also known as the full system. Sequential full system. Mixed marketing and mixed supermarket means mixed, both public and private. All the people are mixing in the particular system. Again, next one is supermarket full system. In a supermarket full system, each process has a store, a supermarket that hold an amount of each product it's produced. Each process simple product to what is withdrawn from his supermarket. Each process is responsible for the replenishment of its supermarket. So daily management of the work site is relatively simple, and Kaizen opportunity are rarely easy to see. Kaizen means continuous improvement. A supermarket, we know very well, department stores, what do the military people, a separate canteen is available, all the ex-servicemen can take, all the minimum needs are available, is called stores, is a supermarket. Not only military canteen, supermarket, Kakinada, Hyderabad, a separate shopping mall, separate supermarket is available, only consumer goods, durable, perishable available. Sequential full system. A sequential full system is also known as B type of full system. May be used when there are too many pods number to hold inventory of each of the supermarket. In a sequential system, the scheduling department must send the right mix and the quantity of the product to be produced. This can be done by placing production Kanban cards in a hygienic box, often at the beginning of each shift. Mixed marketing and sequential full system. A supermarket and the sequential full system may be used together in a mixed system, is also known as C type of full system. Mixed means both public private products, what is the government and other system are connected. A mixed system may be suitable when an 80/20 rule apply with a small percentage of the part members, perhaps 20 accounting for the majority, perhaps 80% of the daily product volume. A mixed system may make it more difficult to balance work and to identify abnormal conditions. It can be more difficult to manage and control Kaizen. Kaizen means continuous improvement of the product. The original meaning of a push and pull as a word in the operation of management, logistics and supply chain management. Once again, the original meaning of the push and pull as used in the operation management, logistics is nothing but marketing and supply chain management. The following the flow chart. Technical push and market pull. Technical push classified 1, 2, 3, 4 types. R&D, research and development, production, marketing and need. Market pull is nothing but demand pull, such as research and development, production, marketing and express marketing need. This is the technical push versus marketing pull. Technical separate, the separate meaning is a thorough knowledge in the areas such as engineering, medical, law, science, arts and so on. Market is a place where buyer and seller close come touch with each other, that is called market. Pull, market pull classified R&D, production, marketing and market need. Thank you.